articles regarding the SNC budget?
No, essentially, this is a development which is being handled by other agencies, especially the DILG and the PNP, DOJ. So we defer to all activities or matters on this issue to them.
Once he's been reviewed, so what would be the procedure in that of the...
I'm really not familiar with the procedure because, as you know, we're not a member of the NCC. So, in fact, we're not in communication with them ever since we started.
Once trial begins, ano magiging role ng Philippine Nation natin, sir?
Oh, I can't speculate. We have to see how events unfold. But I think the best is to ask the agencies which are directly involved.
Sir, may any directive ba from the President regarding this post natin?
Sir, kailan expected yung pagdala sa kipas na Duterte?
I'm not really familiar. I can't really answer. But I had a good meeting with Slovenia.
Yeah.